Hello, this is Silvana from AllServiceNow Learning, and today we will go over how to move files from one instance to another. And if you would like to see more information like this, please don't forget to subscribe and like. So, to go into it, what we will do is create a group, and then we will add a role and also users to that group, and we will move that record over to the other instance. And in your case, it can be moving a file from a dev instance into a test instance, or from a test to production. That all depends on your use case, but let me show you how to do that. So as you can see, I have two screens here, two different instances. So what we will do is we will navigate to groups. And since we know that if you create a group manually in ServiceNow instance, it will probably not be in an update set unless you force it. But we can still go ahead and move it via XML. So let's go ahead and create a group called test group, and we will go ahead and save this record. And let's go ahead and add the role of probably ITIL, and the group members will be let's may probably able tutor. Okay, so these two. All right, so first things first, we have to go ahead and move the group over so that the group shows up here. As you can see, there's no test group here. And how will this happen is we will need the XML from this group. So what we need to do is under groups, we can go ahead and find the groups that we want to move. And in our case, it's just this one. So what we can do is we can go either into the record, or we can do it from here and go export XML. Okay, then we download. And then we go to our instance, and it can be under groups, it can be under users, under any of the tables. The system will go ahead, ServiceNow will place it in the right place. So we will go ahead and double click, just like we did here, between the columns, and we will go import XML. We'll choose the file, and it's this one, sys user groups. We will open this and we will upload it. All right, so now we have our group, but we are missing the roles and the group members. So next thing we can do is we can go to roles. In between the columns here, we can go ahead and let's go ahead and open this in a new window. And to open it in a new window, you will go to the link, and then you would right click and open it in a new window. All right, so this one has now the test group and the role. And what we need to do is we will go ahead and go again between the columns and right click and do an export of the XML. All right, we will download this. So now I don't need to change the table here and go actually into the group. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing, right click and import the XML, choose the file, and this one is this group has role. So let's go ahead and open this one. upload it. So now if we go to our group, our roles are in here. So now we need the group members. Let's go back so we can get rid of this, and we can do the same thing. So highlight, go ahead and go into the link, right click and open the new window. So now we have the group and the users. Go between the tables, right click, export XML, and download. All right, then we can come here, import so this one was the has role group member, because we have the group here, we have the role here, and we have the group member here. So I have the group member. All right, and it's telling us everyone that has been added. So now if we go into our group, we can go ahead and see our group members, we can see our role, and we can see our group. So that's it. That's how you move the records from one instance to another. In cases that you're either missing something in your instance and you need to move it, but that's how it's done via XML. Thank you so much, and please let me know in the comments if you would like to see something else. Thank you.